Hello guys and welcome back to another Unbounded and Boundless Dev Log. I got 3 worlds done this week, that being the face plane, which is like an alternate dimension style based level world where you can change 2D planes you're on. I'll get to that more. The quantum line world, which is just teleportation, has a little bit of quantum mechanics with superpositions and whatnot. And then the crusher, which is just pistons. Now, for the phased plane, you gain a new ability where you change planes. This is a key thing in the lore. You're becoming the new bounder and essentially becoming a 3D being. This is your first step into actually being 3D. The whole game is a bounder trial for the character. Now, for the phased plane, you obviously gain the ability to go to different planes, which allow you to cross the gaps, which are like those little grayed out areas. Press buttons that you wouldn't normally be able to, same with levers. You have face blocks, which are blocks on the other layer. Phase buttons, which are buttons on the other layer. And then the phaser, which can turn things phased to unphased and vice versa. The quantum line is just teleportation. You have teleporters that are connected via a colored gradient line that I made. You have the special block that will become 2 blocks when on a teleporter, and then if you remove one of those blocks, the other block becomes said original block, which is called the quantum block, because quantum mechanics and stuff I don't want to get into. Then you have the quantum enemy, works the same as the box, just with enemy forms instead. Finally, the crusher, which is just pistons. It pushes every non-player thing. There was a bug with how the player worked, so I just removed all player collision. Not like you're going to need it anywhere. You can get anywhere where the piston can push you. You have light blocks and light enemies, which get pushed double than regular enemies and boxes. Now, next week, I really want to get the final world done, which is like the laser. It's light mechanics and all that. It's going to take forever. I want to get that final level done, which is like the final trial, and that's what gets you like the bounder abilities, makes you a 3D being. I can't actually render the 3D because I use Game Maker right now. I'm going to change because I hate Game Maker. It just is not my thing anymore, and I can't export as exe on Mac, but with Godot, which I'm going to be porting to, I will. So for the entirety of April, instead of posting devlogs for my platformer, I'm going to be working on converting the platformer into a Godot game. Then, hopefully by the start of May, I'll be able to post devlogs back on the platformer, maybe even figure out what I'm going to decide to name it if I'm lucky. But yeah, so all I'm going to do next week is get the final world done. Hopefully I can get the final level and then just relax, do a little bit of bug fixing, because there's a lot of bugs. Maybe not if I don't have time. Hopefully I do. But like all the bugs can be combated with just resetting. Anyway, it should be uploaded to the itch page, which I will put in the description. Sometime today, hopefully I'll get it uploaded. But yeah, that's all. I'm gonna tip out.